Welcome to our YouTube video on how to add product stickers to Instagram stories. In this full guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of adding product stickers to your Instagram stories. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Step 3. Tap the plus icon at the top and select Story. Step 4. Select a photo or video to upload to your story. Then choose the product sticker from the sticker tray. Step 5. Select the collection, storefront, or specific products from your catalog that you want to feature. Step 6. Tap Done to confirm. Step 7. Move the sticker to the desired position on your story. Note that you can change the style of the sticker by tapping on it. Step 8. Tap the icon and select your audience. Step 9. Finally, tap Share. By following these simple steps, you can easily add product stickers to your Instagram stories and showcase your products or services to your audience. Whether you're a business owner, an influencer, or simply want to promote something, product stickers can be a powerful tool. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to add product stickers to Instagram stories. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Stay tuned for more Instagram-related content.